Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we have very interesting equation to find the value of x. So without further ado, let's jump into the solution. Okay, so the equation is square root of 16 minus x square plus square root of 9 minus x square is equals to 5, and we are supposed to find the value of x. Let's bring this 16 minus x square on the right hand side. So the equation would be 9 minus x square is equals to 5 minus square root of 16 minus x square. Let's square on both the sides. So it would be square root of 9 minus x square whole bracket square is equals to 5 minus square root of 16 minus x square whole square. Now we are going to use the formula a minus b bracket square, which will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. The square root and the square gets cancelled out, remaining 9 minus x square equals to 5 square plus square root of 16 minus x square bracket square minus 2 into 5 into square root of 16 minus x square. We have elaborated the a minus b bracket square formula here. Okay, let's simplify this equation. 9 minus x square is equals to 25. Square root and square gets cancelled out, plus 16 minus x square minus 2 into 5, 10 into square root of 16 minus x square. Let's bring all the right hand side values on the left hand side except the last one. It would be 9 minus x square minus 25 minus 16 plus x square is equals to minus 10 into square root of 16 minus x square. Simplifying it further, 9 minus this minus x square and plus x square gets cancelled out. 9 minus 25 minus 16 would be minus 41 is equals to right hand side as it is. 9 minus 41 would be minus 32 is equals to minus 10 into square root of 16 minus x square. Minus minus gets cancelled out. Square root of 16 minus x square is equals to, taking the 10 on the right hand side, 32 divided by 10. Let us divide by 2, then the right hand side would be 16 divided by 5. Let's square on both the sides. So the equation would be, now we know a formula, a divided by b whole bracket square is equals to a square divided by b square. Let's use this formula on the right hand side of our equation. This square root and square gets cancelled out. On the left hand side only 16 minus x square remains. Right hand side 16 square divided by 5 square. Now 16 minus x square is equals to 256 divided by 25. Let's change the sides now. 16 minus 256 divided by 25 is equals to x square. Let's bring this 25 on the numerator so that we will have a common denominator. So x square is equals to 16 into 25 minus 256 divided by 25. Now the multiplication of 16 into 25, it would be 400. Let's replace this value on the right hand side. So x square is equals to 400 minus 256 divided by 25. 400 minus 256, it would be, let's try that on the right hand side itself. It would be 4, 4 and 1. So it's 144. Let's replace this value once again. So x square is equals to 144 divided by 25. We know the value of x square, so it would be easier for us to understand the value of x now. So the value of x would be square root of 144 divided by 25. We know that square root of a divided by b, we can write it as square root of a divided by square root of b. So let's separate the square root in our equation. We know square root of 144 and 25 separately, so it would be plus or minus 12 divided by 5. So this is the final value that we have of variable x. Now it's time to verify the value of x, whether it is accurate by keeping it in our equation. Okay, so this is the value, and let's replace the value of x from our equation. So it would be square root of 16 minus plus or minus 12 divided by 5 whole square plus square root of 9 minus plus or minus 12 divided by 5 whole square is equals to 5. We just basically want to understand whether the left hand side and the right hand side matches or not by keeping our value of x. So moving on, square root of 16 minus 144 divided by 25 plus square root of 9 minus 144 divided by 25 is equals to 5. We know that plus or minus 1's whole square will always be 1. That is the reason we have ignored plus or minus 12 divided by 5 whole square and kept it directly as 144 divided by 25. Let's bring this 25 on the numerator to make a common denominator as 25. So 16 into 25 minus 144 divided by 25 in the square bracket plus square root of 9 into 25 minus 144 divided by 25. This would be 5. So we know that 16 into 25 is 400. So the next step would be square root of 400 minus 144 divided by 25 plus 9 into 25, 225 minus 144 divided by 25 is equals to 5. Okay, so we know that 400 minus 144 would be in the square root 256 divided by 25 plus square root of 225 minus 144 is 81 divided by 25, which is equals to 5. Now taking the square root separately for the numerator as well as the denominator for both the terms in left hand side, it would be separating the square root 256 divided by square root of 25 plus square root 81 divided by square root 25 is equals to 5. So the equation would be square root of 256 is 16 divided by 5 plus 9 divided by 5 is equals to 5. Now 16 plus 9 is equals to 25 divided by common denominator 5 is equals to 5. So dividing it with 5 5s are 25. So basically our left hand side, that is LHS, is equals to right hand side, that is RHS, are exactly same. So the value of x in our solution is exactly accurate, and this is how we have completed the verification of our value x, which is 12 divided by 5, by replacing the value of x in our equation with the final value we have received. Thank you for such a wonderful community over here. Please subscribe to stay tuned.